माय नेम इज सौम्या सरकार और आप देख रहे हैं वेल्थ रिडिफाइंड ब्लॉग। आज की ब्लॉग में वी विल रिजॉल्व अ क्वेरी व्हिच इज बीन रेज्ड बाय एन इन्वेस्टर। ही आस्क्स दैट व्हाई that gold and equity are actually on opposite directions and how people make money on debt funds. Now I will first tell you about the relationship between equity and gold. Gold being a very long asset, since centuries gold is considered to be an asset. Previously the kings and empires actually owned this asset. So gold is considered to be a safe haven and equity is considered to be a risky one. So the relation between gold and equity is inversely proportional. What is inversely proportional? Means if one goes up, one goes down, and if one goes down, another goes up. If you look at recent time of COVID, you see when equity start crashing, gold started going up. So what happened is that when an investor looks at an equity and he finds that equity become risky because of XYZ reasons, he starts pulling out the money from the equity and put it in gold, because gold is considered to be the safe asset. So for time being, the investor moves away from equity and move the money to gold as a safe investment. Now once the things get settled down and business again starts moving, things starts happening, the investor moves the money from gold to equity to generate the return. So when he is moving for the equity to gold, he is not expecting that there will be a high return. He is expecting money to be on a safer side. When the crisis comes in, no one actually wants to get the more return out of the crisis. They all want is to save their money first. So that is one of the reasons that when you see the gold price in a crisis time, it usually goes up and it's become an inflated price. Once things settle down, gold is gradually comes down. Indians are actually in love with the gold, and that is one of the reasons that they put a lot of money into gold. But if you see the global record of gold in last 100 years, gold has delivered approximately 3 to 4% annualized return till now. So that means if you see a period of 10 years kind of a thing, you find that 8 years it did not perform, 2 years it has abnormally performed. And it is on those 2 years when equity did not perform. So that means gold is never considered to be an asset in terms of return perspective. It is an asset considered to be a hedging perspective. That means when there is a concern in equity, people move to the gold. When the concern gets over, they move from gold to equity. So this is one of the things which you need to understand. If you have to suppose if you want to hedge your position, or if you want to lower your risk, you can put 80% of the money in equity and 20% in the gold, or 90% into the equity and 10% in the gold. So what happens is that when equity starts coming down, gold will go up, your portfolio will get balanced to some extent. Another thing is that why people are not able to make the returns in debt funds. Debt funds has two kind of things. One is called credit risk and another is called interest rate risk. Interest rate risk means when there is no default kind of a thing, like when you are investing in a sovereign bond or kind of a thing, or in a government bond or a gilt fund. But what happens is that when the interest rate comes down, the bond prices starts going up. But once it hit the bottom, then obviously the bond prices won't go up any further. Because it is not going up any further, obviously if you are invested at that point of time, you will not be able to make the return. Let me give you and clarify it with a better example. Suppose in 2017 onward, bond prices starts falling and it falls till 2019. So what will happen is that in 2019, if you have invested the money, the price is not going to fall further. Because it is not falling further, obviously you are not able to make the return. So that is one of the reasons why you can't make the return. Another thing is the credit risk. In a credit fund where you are investing the money into triple B rated category companies or double B or B or double A minus kind of a thing, where you can make the better returns. But these kind of returns are risky and fine to difficult. Suppose if you are investing into a company which is triple B rated, there is a chance that it might default and you might lose the entire money. So these are the one of the things that you are not able to make the return in debt funds unless until you are very well versed with the market. So a lot of people, because of they are not getting a chance to invest into the debt fund, they move into arbitrage or kind of a thing and secure their positions. But if you are planning to invest into debt fund or know more about equity and gold part and how to move from equity to gold and gold to equity, I think you should talk to your investment advisor or financial advisor in detail to know about it and take his advice before investing into these kind of things. These are complex things and not very easy, and you need to have a lot of understanding if you do it on your own before doing it. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, you may subscribe the channel, you may send us a comment, you may send us an email with your queries, and we will try to answer them. Thank you very much. Namaskar.